You're looking for something wonderful to treat your eyes? This is Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Lift and Sculpt. It comes in this brown bottle and it has this little special applicator. Now this has been tested to help in 4 weeks. All the areas around the eyes, inspired by injectables, but proven to be an effective tool in just 4 weeks in studies. Now, it affects all the lines, the dynamic and the static lines, everything around the eye. You put it on AM and PM in this special applicator, and you will find puffiness, the fine lines, the coloring, and the revitalizing of the elasticity in your skin. This is a great product from Estée Lauder, the great brand that we all know and love, but this one will work and has been proven to work in 4 weeks. I highly recommend this great product. It will help with all the areas around the eyes.